Of 24 chapters, this is the first, Dhyana. Literacy on the symbolic language of myths and kvæði, sacred poems, spot the allegory in God's spells. I am telling thee one thing, we are Ginnungagap. We are the great void, the womb of the universe, the fullness, truth, eternity, reality, divinity. Odin given to Odin, I self given to myself, Hávamál, Gnothise Aton, know thyself, Gnothise Aton, which is the real philosophy, not that contentious art of today. Heimfús means home, willing to go home. Every horse is willing to run home. Heimfús, no effort needed. So is our mind, our thought, when we allow ourselves to transcend. It's automatic. We are going home. The world is our home, and our real home is Ginnungagap, the Ginn holy gap, and we are it. All effort and strain only spoils the effort of the seeker of truth. Pathless path inwards into the self-referral state is effortless. No obstacle exists. Yoga chitta vritti nirodha. Chit, rune týr. Hast thou ever thought of Irminsul in this way? The roots of Askur Yggdrasils are 3. We are man trees. Fórn, sacrifice, is as our thought gets sacrificed, fórnað, finding out about, færa, to bring, into Ginnungagap to become it exclusively. Human thought is all worldly and is left in the sphere of creation when we transcend. But our core and essence, higher self, becomes itself only. Ginnungagap, Brahman, the unified field of all the laws of nature. Úttarið atman, sjálfur leið sjálfan í dýrð. Hamsa, hamingja. Hamingja gained is having imbibed the divine goddess sun into the body, into every our cell. We become enlightened one day, that is, we live Valhöll. This we do, of course, fully alive in one of our ævi. One of our lifespans. Ævi is in Sanskrit ayus, as in Ayurveda. Ayurved means the know-how of this particular lifespan. Hamur, Hamsa, is a geis, Sanskrit Hamsa, a swan. This picture shows our Valkyria that is an act of transcending as she serves consciousness, Odin, and shows the cycle Odin Vilivier, creation of element space, of matter energy, and Jötnar, etons, ethers, corrosiveness, the decomposition, ridding us of all imperfect attempts to create. Only the perfect is here to stay. Everything imperfect gets recycled. Odin is knowledge, wanting to know knowledge. Vili, the will to know, the process of knowing, finding knowledge. And Vie, that what can be found in the self-referral state, knowledge in consciousness. And we see on this picture the 3 guna, the sattva, rajas, tama, the 3 qualities of nature that rule the whole created world. The only way to get a break from them, triguna, þursa meir 3, in life is to transcend, and that is easy if you have the technique to perform a Valkyria. Vidihi, orka, svinnur. The whole life is consciousness and energy. We are no exception from that. Jnanavan, svardharma, svabhava. Some men know why they are living each lifespan, ævi. We are not here to work and have some kids, man. We are here to evolve. Each man must take his next step from the very spot on which he is. That is living Svadharma, our own evolutionary path. And we are heading first for Valhöll, cosmic consciousness, where we start seeing that the created world is aloof from its origin, Ginnungagap, and that we are it, not our body. We are Ginnungagap. Our body is transient, ever-changing, unstable matter, and we live in one. This our present body, which we make each lifespan, ævi. Orka svinnur, orka svinnur. I am the god of my body. I create it, I live in it, eat and think and have good emotions to sustain it for a whole ævi lifespan. The whole thing is consciousness and energy, and I am in charge of myself. I, the real I, am Ginnungagap, and the created world has no connection whatsoever to it. On this picture we also see Odin Vilivier creating as a byproduct of seeking knowledge and finding it, urðurverðandi skuld, karma, our doings and their coming back to us, the 3 gunas, sattva, rajas, tama, and Fenrir, Fenrisúlfur, who feeds on evil doings and heedlessness. But I am not the creation. I am the holy origin of all, that which only is Ginnungagap. Evolution of an individual. We see little connection to the inner self, and that is ósvinna, ignorance. By performing a Valkyria every day, transcending, we gradually imbibe our body with the divine essence, our real self, woven as a higher self of each man. Its perfect order now reflects fully in our perfect physiology. Becoming pure is the purpose of our living a life. Valkyria is born along with man. Askur and Embla are man trees. This means that animals, deer, do not have the evolved nervous system of a man, and they cannot perform a Valkyria. That is, cannot transcend with a technique we learn. We are man trees, just like Askur Yggdrasils is a tree, rooted in the unified field of all the laws of nature, and we are, in core and essence, the Ginnungagap from which all sap of life is drawn. What is the mistake of our intellect? How does our intellect make a mistake? In the way that we do not see with our worldly eyes that the world is a schauspiel of unstable matter energy, the field of change. This is the delightful rodeo which throws us up and down unwillingly when we live in our ignorance. We sometimes take part in his show for a whole lifespan without finding the way out, even without knowing that there is a way out. This is all we are taught about life nowadays. Why do we not know? Because no one is there to tell us. Nobody knows nowadays. Runes Tyr Maður and Wraith TM. This is transcending. Our mind works on the sphere of creation. Mind is made to think, look for joy, collect info. Our intellect is for contemplating. We have to sacrifice fórna, our dear thought. It becomes still, pure thought, and gets lost. And we thus sacrifice our individuality for a while, our Ginnungagap only, óðin higher self for a while. Hávamál vísa 138 and on, nýsta eg niður, felleg aftur þaðan. Then we fall from there again, endowed with fimbulrúnir, the sip of the meat of wisdom. We cannot just use the surface of our fornisíður, and the less copy it, and use it for a símile. Baseless surface is not the essence of our síður. Clothes and flowery words are useless surface only, but can be dangerously luring, like fake silver, fake gold. The core and essence of our fornisíður cannot be seen with our worldly eyes, and neither perceived by thinking about it only. Why not? Because the thinking mind is in complete peace in Ginnungagap. We are it, Brahman, but human thoughts are all worldly stuff. Thinking about gods and Ginnungagap, talking about it, is not at all the act of transcending. It is a worldly thoughts only. It is difficult to explain the origin of all, as our senses only perceive the created universe. Satya, sin, synth, siya, glasir. Goddess Sin has to be explained to thee. She is a sieve, siya, that filters synth, sin, ignorance, and lets into glasir only the pure thyself. Sin, synth, is impurity, and we have to get rid of that. The only way is to purify via ourselves by transcending every day. Gradually we get rid of ignorance, synth, sin, impurities, gruggur. It leaves us. It evaporates. Satya, sannur, sat, truth. Sin and synth. Satya, sadr, sannur, sinyun. Sin is like thy own mother. If thou wert going to enter the house right from the cowshed, what would mamma do? Say, no, 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 thou hast to wash thyself, my lovely. She never said that the bairn were not allowed to enter into the clean house. She only refuses, verb sinja, means to refuse, the filth, in this metaphoric case, ignorance. Satyam always triumphs. This picture is an attempt to show what we see and what we do not see, with our worldly eyes, that is. Gróa, the mother, knows 9 galdra góða, numberless good magic. That is because she has access to the abyss of vorfornisíður. The number 9 is actually no size or length or time span, just something. 9 nights, for example, is no real time, rather timelessness. These body cells are full of stress, ignorance, gruggur, filth, sin, synth. Ginnungagap is within every cell, and the cell is it in essence. But if we do not transcend, we lose the pathless path inwards, imbibe no fimbulrúnir, which is skill and action in life, like walking on water and the like. A path that is not trodden gets lost and covered in weed and tall grass. Here in the meaning that we do not transcend. Such an ivy lifespan is useless, unused, lost time, life in ignorance. Performing a Valkyria transcending is a purifying act, sacred purification, delightful, effortless, nourishing, gives fimbulrúnir. And gradually our body cells become pure, purified. That is, if we transcend every day. And we are young all our life, and when we die, however old we become, our body cells are young and pure. That is, the gods love those who die young. In this way, however old we become in years, we are loved by our inner gods. Seest thou what I mean by deer, animals, not yet out of paradise, bottom, green, men that live in ignorance, that cannot be called men, even if they possess a human nervous system. Those men that have purified themselves to become Baldur, first then to be able to bear the name a man, human. Animals do not have a human nervous system, Sleipnir, so they depend on mankind's behavior only. Animals follow their natural instincts, not discriminating nor understanding life as we can. Some men are carrying the animal stage along with them into human life, an animal walking on 2 legs, which means a lifespan in ignorance and base behavior. Ginnungagap. This is of utmost importance to understand. All matter energy has its origin in the unified field of total natural law, we know, and some know that all that is only Ginnungagap. Same applies for the human thought. Transcending is the very way into our origin, back home. All there is Ginnungagap. The visible universe only fleeting beauty. Thund Thor, Tanya tu, Ginnungagap. Thund is the all-powerful dharma, that which upholds. Thor is strength and vitality in us, and he is electricity and power in the world and in us. The broken symmetry displays all forces, fermions and bosons, which go back to superunification at Ragnarök. Show over. Nirvana. I lokfara lundi barra. Our thought experiencing itself only, self-referral. All is in cycles. Váli, the valur, haukur of morning, in a symbolic sense. Baldur, the brightness. Vidar, the way into the unbounded whiteness, gladness. Glaðheimar of Odin. Siður, Seiður, Svardaha, Siddhi. See Kesavadeva Shastri and Christian Andreas Holmboe for all the names and terms in our Norse mythology and poems derived from Sanskrit. Also Óðsmál for Burns, Skræða 29, Sanskrit and Old Norse. Available on Amazon, search Óðsmál, Óðsmál series. Hold Imis, hot goða, Ginnungagap. Ymir is the created world that we see, feel, hear with our worldly senses. Ymir is a sound, the universe is the sounding. Hold Imis is Imis flesh. Hot goða is the spiritual value, the gold of the gods and goddesses in us. In the transcendence, we find ourselves, and we are it in core and essence, only living in the world ivy after ivy, in order to evolve. Freyja, the space-time foam, my theory, and her Brísingamen, the brightest of creation, mankind. She guards us well, her precious gem. Askur Yggdrasils, the tree of life, has 3 roots. Wherefrom comes the nourishment, the sap? Drasill is a word derived from the root dris, to see as an seer, not only with worldly eyes. Askur yew tree, Yggur, perhaps mind or thought. Na vichala yet, na buti udam, jhana yet adhyanam, karma sanganam. What I am telling thee here should not be told to the ignorant man. We actually do not perform action as nature and the three guna carry this out. We should not tell this to the ignorant man. The ignorant man might blame the three guna, qualities of nature, for his wrongdoings, playing as if he were not responsible and if he were not to blame for his actions. The enlightened man performs action, evolutionary actions only, as his nature is pure. He gives an example of being active in the world. So the ignorant performs action responsible for them. The ignorant man should learn TM, Transcendental Meditation Technique, in order to purify himself. Then his actions become of higher quality. Askur and Embla are man trees. They were on the beach inert before gaining human life's attributes from Óður, Hænir, Lóður. The abyss is Ægir. Ægir is within us. We are Ægir. Valkyrja is born along with men. The serving made to consciousness, individual Óðinn. Óður, Hænir, Lóður bring the gifts of humanity to humans. Njörður is our origin in the sea and Freyja the foam, Aphros as in Aphrodita. It has taken us millions of lifetimes to end up as humans on earth.